Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take these boring slides and turn them into these beautiful diamond glitter slides. So these are the things you're going to need. You're going to need a pair of plain slides, and then you're going to have to get some scissors, E6000 glue, and just any diamonds that you want. These are the ones that I got, but you can get like plain ones, just like square ones or something. I don't know, anything you want. So first I'm just cutting the diamond sheets that I got to match the size of the shoe, and I'm going to be putting the other one on top of it also so that I can have them be perfect. And then I'm going to start putting the E6000 glue all over the shoe until it's smothered in there, because the more the better, because it won't fall off. And then I'm going to be putting the sheet of diamonds over top of it. And just look how beautiful that looks. Like, that looks so beautiful and glamorous, and I'm in love with them. And then I'm just going to be cutting off the excess of the diamonds so that it fits the shoe perfectly. And then obviously doing the same exact thing on the other shoe. And this is how they turned out, and I love them so much, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to recreate these, it's really easy and affordable, and they're beautiful. Like, look at them. This is like a before of them, and then this is the after. And I used that Kira app to make them look even better. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Bye guys!